Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Law Simplified by Timothy. Today's topic is a very interesting one. It's basically, are online courses a scam? The truth that you need to know. Have you ever seen an ad that says, take my online course and earn 1 lakh per month, or join this 3-day masterclass and change your life forever? Sounds tempting, right? But are these online courses actually worth it? Or are they just a scam? So today I'm breaking down the online course industry, how it works, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And most importantly, how you can you spot scams before wasting your hard-earned money. So let's be honest. Online learning is a game changer. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning offer real value with courses on coding, law, business, and even cooking. When even universities like Harvard and Stanford have online programs. So clearly, not all online courses are scam. But here's where things get tricky. Where legit platforms exist, there's also an entire industry built on making false promises and selling overpriced courses that teach you, well, nothing new. So now let's talk about the dark side of online course. So there are people who sell this so-called exclusive knowledge for thousands of rupees, only for you to realize later that it's all common information that you could find for free on YouTube or Google. So a few years ago, multiple influencers they started selling forex trading courses, promising that if you learn from them, you'd start earning in lakhs. But many students later realized that these courses, were just basic YouTube tutorials which were repackaged into a 30,000 program. Now, another example would be if you remember those ads that said, join my masterclass to become a millionaire and entrepreneur. So turns out most of these so called mentors make money not from their business, but from selling these very courses. So they don't have much business skills, but they just sell these courses and they make money out of it. So, how do you spot a scam? So, here are some major red flags to watch out for. First would be too good to be true claims. So if you see that they promise that you'll make 1 lakh a month with zero experience, so it's likely a scam. Second is fake urgency. So if um, there is some course which says that offer is valid for 24 hours or only 10 spots left, then it is just a pressure tactic. Then if there is no credentials, so like you have to always check who is teaching the course. Do they have real experience or are they just marketing themselves? So you can go through them, you can go to the LinkedIn or by somewhere, you can check whether they're actual teachers or not. Then if there is no refund policy, if the course says that they refuse refund, so it's a big warning sign. So you should be very careful. So a popular stock market coach, he was exposed when people found out that he never actually invested in stocks himself. He only made money selling his courses and not from trading. So now don't get me wrong, but there are some online courses which are actually worth investing in. So for that, you have to check certain things. First is university backed programs. So there are courses from Harvard, MIT, or even Indian universities on platforms like, Coursera, Udemy, and all that. So there are mostly reliable courses. So that you can actually go for. Then there are skill based learning. So if a course teaches a real life skill like coding, law, research, or digital marketing with proven case studies, then it's a good investment. Then third is transparent pricing and reviews. So there are, independent reviews on platforms like Reddit or Quora or any other proper platforms which actually gives good reviews, then you should go for it. But you should always read the reviews before buying it. Now, a friend of mine, he actually took an ethical hacking cybersecurity course. So that basically was a professional expert. There was a professional expert who taught that course. So it cost 5,000, but for 6 months. So he landed a job because his skills were practical and in demand. So there are courses which are actually good. So here, basic thing is, uh, are online courses a scam? So the truth here is some are, while some are not. So the key is to research before buying and should not fall for flashy marketing or unrealistic promises. So instead you should choose wisely and invest in courses that provide actual real knowledge. So tell me in the comment section that have you ever been scammed by an online course or have you ever taken a great one that changed your life? So drop your experiences in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, do not forget, sorry, to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. See you in my next one. Thank you.